Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking smoked fish fried rice. Sa mga subscribers ko sa Pilipinas, pumunta po kayo sa YouTube channel FILAM Cuisine at mag-subscribe. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients: garlic, onions, smoked fish, egg, cucumber, young leaves, young onions. This is salted egg, and steamed rice, long grain, olive oil, soy sauce, salt and pepper. In our hot pan here, we will add our oil. All right, and then we put our onions. All right. Let's cook this for a minute. Now let's add our garlic. Cook it for 30 seconds. Now we'll add our smoked fish. Cook it for a minute. Now we'll cook our eggs. Right. Now the eggs are cooked, so this is time to add our rice. All right. Put our rice in. Okay, and mix it with all the ingredients. All right. All right. Mix it well. Add a little of soy sauce. All right. Mix it again. Now let's add a little of salt. Dust of black pepper. And then we will add our scallion or onions, young onions. Give it a good mix. And this is pretty much done. Here is the finished product: smoked fish fried rice. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.